Okay, boys and girls, going back to our Letterland activity for today. And we have our friend the Zigzag Zebra, and I'm going to click on her. And now we're going to go to her activities, and we want to do letter sounds. Letter sounds. Let's see. Alright, so we see the picture cards. We see Zigzag Zebra at the top. And then at the bottom, there's some picture cards with pictures on them. We have to click on the card that has the picture that has the same beginning sound as Zigzag Zebra. So we have polar bears, vase, zero, puzzle, and a lizard. Which one of these cards have the same beginning sound as Zigzag Zebra? Zero. Alright, so we're going to check our answer. Yes. Alright, the next one we have fish, ostrich, duck, zoo, and lighthouse. Are there any that have the same beginning sound as Zigzag Zebra? The zoo. Let's check our answer. And you are right again. All right. Now we have a window, sun, zebra, butterfly, and violin. Which one? This should be a pretty easy one, right? Because Zigzag Zebra is a what? A zebra. Great job. All right, now one more. We have an axe, a kettle, a zebra, a jogger, or he's running, and we have vegetables. Again, an easy peasy one, right? And that would be the zebra. Good job, boys and girls. You did an excellent job. And we're going to go ahead and close out of Letterland now.